Good afternoon. The topic that we're going to talk about is website creation tools, knowledge organization and sharing tools, data analysis tools. Members of this group are Fabian Torres, Andres Becerra, Johan Garzon, and Valentina Chantaca. So individual website creation tools allow users to create websites from customizable templates without coding required. Some of these tools include Google Sites, Tripod, Wix, Dreamdo, and Moonfruit. Many of these platforms have free plans, but others require a paid plan. When we talk about wikis, we must understand that this web tool allows multiple users to create, edit, and link websites with different pages through its own web browser. It is used to make teachers and students work collaboratively in their own projects. One popular wiki tool for education is Wikispaces. It enables students or users to manage classes in a different way and to engage them. In the same way, there is another educational tool that is commonly used, and it is called PBWorks. It works as a tool where students can collaborate in real time to develop projects. Now, when it comes to blogs, it is a web tool used to organize websites posts in a chronological order, where teachers and students can improve their thinking while tracking it over the time. The most used platforms to create blogs are WordPress. It has templates, libraries, and multimedia available. EduBlogs, it offers teachers to create and administer blogs. KidBlog, it helps to create class sets blogs. Blogger, and that it is a blogging site owned by Google, and more.
First of all, we have file sharing. Its sites allow users to manipulate or share access to documents, images, files, or videos. In that way, users can share their documents. It also sharing sites typically only provide a directory or folder system, where permission can be set to determine who can access. It is a good tool to use in groups. So we have those examples: OneDrive and MediaFire. Social bookmarking sites can organize, share, and store websites online. This is useful for creating sets of links amongst a community of practice or team. For example, Mnemonic and Webnotes. We have here aggregators. It uses a really simple syndications, RSS, and harvests web-based. This allows share, organize, and save the content of the topic. The examples are Bloglines and Feedly. Republishing, it allows users to extract content, comment, and publish it. This can use between teachers and students to interpret the corresponding resources that they found. For example, Storyfy and Pinterest.
Okay, talking about data analysis tools, we have for the first part conducting surveys, and this is a tool to carry out a survey through web formats, and also enables teachers and students to source data and to use in analysis. So we have Pool Daddy. This is an example of it to make surveys in that web page. Then we have Google Forms, this is another example, and it also provides the ability to work collaboratively with multiple users. Then we have also that Google Forms provides the integration into Google Spreadsheet, and this is an application for that analysis tool. So an online spreadsheet, this is the next part. It also is it provides teachers and students the ability to work collaboratively and also to share data and analysis. It also need to be shared via a URL, and an example of it could be Google Sheets, and this is one of the most popular spreadsheets. Also we have another that is sohos.com and Ethercall. Then we have infographics, and this is a tool that representing numerical data, and it also can be shared via an URL. Google Drive provides different tools to make an infographic, and it's a good example. Also we have another one that is iCharts.net that also allows Google Drive to load and integrate a chart with the information.
The activity that we try to use is the survey that is a survey in SurveyMonkey, a page which allows you to make different surveys with multiple options and also with 3 options. So it's an easy one. We think on this cause is very easy for the student because it's visual, kinesthethical at the moment visual at the moment you read, kinesthethical at the moment you need to put the option, and also it remember how the student or the people of the user that are going to do this survey starts to think what they read in the following reading, that is website creation tools by Brown. So the questions that we have is very easy. First of all, it's a common question that allows the person to be more familiar with this. At the second one is the next following questions that gonna to have the same structure. That is, which of the pages is a weakest page that allows for information? As my partner say, Valentina, it's GPT in this case, and the other ones is a Dropbox, so there is only a file sharing, recipe works and sites by Google, and Facebook, that is a social network. So the answer is very easy if you know the domain page. Also we have the same in this part, that is OneDrive, and also we can put another file sharing page, that is Mediafire, and that's the same with the next one. We put on there a little free question that is about Web 2.0 technologies for, that is for improve the people to be more familiar with the internet, all of them. So that is because we thought on to use SurveyMonkey, because it's very easy to do an activity and also to answer it, and helps the student at this case to be more familiar with the content that we gave from them. Thanks for paying attention, teacher, and that's for all.